The onboarding process for a new sales manager can take a considerable amount of time, and a slow ramp-up period can lead to delays in projects and a negative impact on the performance of the sales team. Therefore, it is important for companies to have an effective onboarding process in place that provides newly hired sales managers with all the necessary information and training they need, without rushing the process. There are several ways that companies can accelerate the onboarding process for sales managers. Let's explore 4 of them.
First, establish clear goals and expectations. Clear goals and expectations can help new sales managers to measure their progress and success, providing them with a roadmap for success. Providing ongoing feedback and support can help them stay on track and ensure that they are performing at their best. Second, provide access to the right tools and resources. This could include sales enablement software, customer relationship management, CRM, software, product knowledge bases, and more. Providing new sales managers with access to these resources early on can help them become familiar with the company's systems and processes, enabling them to start making an impact more quickly. Finally, create a structured training program. By pairing new sales managers with a seasoned sales leader or mentor, they can learn from someone who has already navigated the company's culture, sales process, and customer base. This can help new sales managers to learn faster, avoid common mistakes, and build confidence in their abilities.
I hope you enjoyed our content. Don't forget to follow our page. Like and subscribe for more actionable tips in improving sales outcomes and generating sustainable revenue.